Welcome back to the channel, everyone. How you doing? It's super early. It's 6 in the morning right now. It is the earliest I've ever been up in quite a while since I've been working nights, but I'm excited because I got something to pick up for the Civic. Yep, more parts, like I said. So I can't wait to show you guys what I'm picking up. I'll get back to you guys in a bit. I'm gonna drive to the area, so I'll get back to you guys as soon as I get there. All right, y'all, here it is. Package is secured. Some VIS parts. Yes, it's a trunk. Try to figure out what it is though, what style. But package number 1 secured. Now, time to move on. Package number 2. So aside from the trunk, I got some other goodies for the SI. It's currently at the shop getting installed. So I got some BC coilovers and a Z23 kit. I think that's the name of the name. But yeah, the brakes that were on that thing were all rusted up and stuff. So I'm like, instead of just swapping out rotors and like keeping those rusty ass calipers and rotors, I'm like, I might as well just swap out the whole thing. So it's gonna look pretty mint, and suspension is gonna be even finally. I don't know if any of you have noticed, but yeah, the rear sat lower because of things on my lowering springs, and the front must have had stock suspension. Not too sure, but now I'll have the same suspension all around, so I'm happy to see that. So yeah, minor upgrades, but big upgrades in the long run. Check it out, y'all. Coils are on. The brake kit is on. Damn. It's gonna be like a whole new car. Sheesh. Sheesh. Check it out. It's lowered on coils finally, but I'll adjust the height once I get wheels. For now, I'll enjoy this. It's just the same height, but check it out. New rotors, calipers, everything. Looking nice. Maybe some of you guys are thinking, did I get a big brake kit? No, I didn't. Why not? Well, it's just my daily, and I'm trying to go all out. Plus, I don't want to deal with having to get clearance on BBKs. But for now, yeah, just gotta get some wheels and get another OEM bumper that has working. Wait, did they fix it? Okay. Ah, no, that side's still busted. Yeah, I need to get a bumper that has full support on both sides. Other thing I could do, the easiest route is just get quick release little straps for the bumpers, but I kind of don't want to go that route. So I'll see it. That's why I haven't painted the bumper. I want to get a different one. But aside from that, I'm pretty much just done with it. What are you guys thinking so far of the build? Let me know. All right, y'all, finally, it's time to swap out this stupid ass trunk. Man, I don't know what the previous owner did to this trunk or the previous owners, but this thing gotta go. From the start, I had a hole right here. I patched it up, and then this brake light was broken. It looked pretty stupid, but worst of all, let me show you guys real quick. Yeah, so the worst thing going for it, it's an annoyance. I don't know what this person did, but there's a broken bolt right there into the screw, so nothing I can do about that. So I haven't been able to utilize my trunk as much because it's an annoyance closing this thing, but I can't wait to just throw this thing away. Good riddance. All right, here it is, guys, in all its glory. Carbon fiber trunk from VIS. Huge shout out to my boy over at Next Level Carbon for hooking it up. You guys should hit him up for any carbon needs, especially if you're in SoCal and you're not ordering carbon from this guy. What are you guys doing? All right, here it is, y'all. I'm looking sick as fuck. Love that little duck bow right there. Don't like going too aggressive. So you guys are probably wondering, where are my taillights? So yeah, I have to run some different types of taillights. I guess I gotta get JDM taillights. So for now, it's gonna be open like this, but thankfully there's no rain coming up anytime soon. And right now, I'm gonna need Mario to go ahead and help me make these license plate lights a little bigger, because the little lights don't fit in there. But aside from that, huge shout out to Mario at 38 Car Mods. If you guys want to get anything done to your car, you should definitely hit him up. Always quality work, always doing his best to make all these modifications work. It's the guy that I trust the most on working on my cars. So if you guys are in the Bay, definitely hit up 38 Car Mods. Thank you, man. Appreciate you every time. Okay, there we go. Finally, the trunk on, lights on. I have to drill some holes on the license plate so they can fit and not actually cut through the carbon fiber. But yeah, looking good. Plus I got this little carbon license plate thingy to go with it. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Yeah, so it's gonna look a little weird without those lights right there, but no worries. I'll go ahead and order them and just give another video on that, see how it goes. Aside from that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be ordering those taillights soon, make another video on that. Yeah, so just a disclaimer for any of you guys that are trying to get this trunk. It's I think it's called Demon Style or Style Demon Trunk, something like that. You see it on VIS. I got it from VIS, but I believe Cyber has the same trunk. If you get that trunk, disclaimer, just be prepared. You're gonna need JDM taillights. That's the thing that I figured out. So yeah, gonna order those, see how it looks, and I'll give you guys an update in a later video. I don't even know what video I'm on now. Like I said, everything's all over the place. Hopefully this is the video that I'll be uploading soon. As for the BC coilovers, the ride feels amazing. The brakes feel amazing. So yeah, upgrade was amazing. That trunk was a pain in the ass, mainly because of the little part that it hooks on. But other than that, not bad of an install, just a few bits of trimming on the holes for some of the things to fit. Aside from that, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next video.